Hi, it's Lulu here, founder and director of Boho Locs, and I'm just making a super quick video just to show you how easy Boho Locs are to apply yourself, might I add. So I'm going to be applying our mermaid locks in a color combination of Bronde and Auburn today, which actually is brand new. This is the first time this style has been seen, so this is an exclusive. And I'm making this video just to show you how easy they are to apply yourself and how quickly they can be done. So I just wanted to tell you 5 things about Boho Locs. Firstly, they are super easy to apply yourself. So we provide tutorial videos which break down the application process, and it's something that you can watch, learn and do. So you can do these by yourself, no problem at all. The second thing about Boho Locs you need to know is that the full application takes about 2 hours max, so under 2 hours. And contrast that with going and sitting and get individual crochet locks done, which take all day. I know because I used to do them. They used to take 8, 9, sometimes even 10 hours just to get the style completed. No, haven't got time for that. So Boho Locs, a full head in under 2 hours. The third point about Boho Locs is that they are extremely lightweight. Now, a lot of people ask me, oh, are they heavy? They look heavy. They're not heavy at all. You have them on and you're just like, oh, is that it? It doesn't feel like anything's there. You don't get your neck weighed down, nothing like that. Contrast that with traditional faux locks, which can sometimes be heavy. Boho Locs are extremely, extremely lightweight. The fourth thing about Boho Locs is they are a fantastic protective style. As you're going to see, I'm going to just cane row the base of my hair, nothing complicated. I'm going to moisturize it. I'm going to put my lock method, liquid, oil, cream to keep my hair as hydrated as possible. And when the locks are in, my hair is protected and I'm looking good at the same time. You can't beat it. The fifth thing that you need to know about Boho Locs is that they are reusable. So that means you can use them once, twice, thrice, or just as many times as you feel comfortable and as many times as you want to, and as many times as they feel like they're looking good to you, which is good news for everybody, because I definitely have reused my locks before, and sometimes I've mixed up different colors and created new things, and it's awesome. So I love to be able to provide that flexibility with Boho Locs that you can actually reuse the hair should you wish to. Okay, so now I'm going to break down the application and I'm going to show you how quick and easy they are to get on. Okay, so to do the base, I'm just going to be using some Marley hair. Any sort of brand is fine. Something close to your own hair color is also good. So some Marley. This is a little bit lighter than my hair, but that's also fine. You actually don't need a lot. And actually, using Marley hair is totally optional. There are some people that don't like Marley hair, they don't want to use Marley hair. Well, the good news is you absolutely don't have to. I use Marley hair on my base, but it's optional. So let's get on with this. guys, this is the finished result. I'm done with my Bronde Auburn Mermaid Locs. It's a brand new style for us, from us here at Boho Locs, and I've got loads left. So I've got a whole pack of locks left, and I've got 20 strands of the wavy hair left. So as I'm wearing the style, I can refresh the front if I need to, I can change the wavy bits if I need to. So you have more than enough in the pack. So if you want to redo some or change the wavy hair bits or add some more, you've got that flexibility with Boho Locs. Each pack contains more than enough for a full head application.